Hey, what's up? Matt's Garage. Just received my Tom's Bronco part windshield frame and wanted to do a little unboxing and show you my old frame and why I've decided to replace it. I had actually ordered this with a bunch of other parts, but these were back ordered. When they got them in, Tom's called me, said, hey, do you still need it? And I said, yeah, please send it over. So I just came. I'm going to open this up. This is part number 2005 in the catalog. I opted to go with the regular steel frame because my Bronco is pretty much going to be garage kept. If you live in a place where humidity is a real issue, you know, the windshield obviously does take a bit of a moisture beating because of where it is. So, you know, you may want to opt for the stainless steel one. But steel is good enough for me. So let's see what we have here. Okay, there it is. One of the big reasons I opted for this is I had to buy a hinge anyway, and this comes with the hinge already installed, so that's nice. But, you know, it's raw metal, so I'll probably hit this up with some OSFO. It's got all the same, let's get it in the same orientation here as my old one. Looking at it, it's got the same holes. The original's got slightly different details on these screw areas where the motor for the windshield wipers screws in there. It's got these two threaded ends, and yeah, but otherwise it looks pretty similar. Let me just get my gauge meter here. So these is about 1/8 of an inch. And it's about the same, about 1/8 when you pinch these two together. So very similar. It's 1/8 up there. About 1/8 up there. So yeah, pretty similar. So let me show you what was wrong with my windshield frame. So one of the issues is the rust damage is pretty deep in these areas, and also have some rust pinholes all in there. It's pretty hard to get to some of those areas. The main issue though is really that corner, and I just didn't want to take a chance doing a corner like that on a piece that's so visible. Is kind of difficult for me. Could I have done the windshield and reused it? Probably, but you know, you just have to weigh how many hours you're going to put into it, how good do you think the results are going to be, and you know, the cost of a new hinge, because you know, it's hard to reuse the hinge. You got to order a new one anyway. So given that I already had to get a hinge, I had to weld it on, and I had to patch those things in these areas that are hard to get to, and hope that I got all the rust and that it wouldn't bloom later. To me, getting a new windshield frame made perfect sense. So super happy with this. Thanks to Tom's, and yeah, I'm not going to put it on right now, but just wanted to show you guys what to expect when you order it. See you next time on Matt's Garage.